Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to understand kwargs and what it means and why it actually matters. So kwargs is it actually stands for keyword arguments, a special syntax in Python that enables passing unlimited custom name arguments to functions. And this powerful feature gives developers flexibility when designing interfaces that need to handle varied inputs. And for the core use cases and the real world examples, Quarks accept keyworded variable length arguments as a dictionary, allowing functions to handle dynamic inputs without knowing argument details in advance. And think of it like a restaurant that can fulfill any custom meal order. The chef function actually accepts whatever specifications and then the parameters you provide, even if they weren't on the original menu. So it is widely used in libraries for configurable behavior, especially in data processing pipelines, API integrations, and user interface components. So that's it for theoretical understanding of what kwargs are. Now head on to your VS Code and go and try some kwargs expressions. We have other videos where we actually played around with some good amount of code for you to understand, but this is just for theoretically understanding in a real world way so that you can understand it when programming it. Thank you for watching this video.